The benefits of cloves are countless. Antiseptic and anesthetic is one of its features, and these features are enough for us to make a mouthwash from it. It breaks germs, numbs if there's a painful condition in the mouth, and provides pleasant breath. Let's move on to how it's done.
1 tablespoon of cloves, and 2 glasses of water. We make them boiling together. After boiling, we lower the heat. We cover it and make them boiling for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes boiling, we close the heat and put aside it for cooling down. I didn't throw out an empty mouthwash bottle before I used it. If you want, you can use a glass or a water bottle. I put the boiled cloves inside of it too, because the more it weighs, the more the essence of it mixes into the water. And we have homemade mouthwash, a gift from nature.